Welcome to our channel. If you want to join AAA for roadside assistance and member benefits, follow these step-by-step instructions to sign up for membership. Step 1. Visit the AAA website at aaa.com or locate your local AAA club website for your state or region. Step 2. Click Join AAA or Become a Member on the homepage. Step 3. Enter your ZEED IP code to find your local AAA club and see available membership plans. Step 4. Review the membership tiers, Classic, Plus, and Premier. Each tier offers different levels of roadside assistance coverage and benefits. Step 5. Select the membership level that best fits your needs by clicking on it. Step 6. Choose whether you want individual membership or family membership, which covers additional household members. Step 7. Enter your personal information, including name, date of birth, email address, and phone number. Step 8. Enter your home address. This determines your local AAA club and service area. Step 9. Add any additional household members if you selected family membership. Step 10. Review the membership benefits, pricing, and renewal terms. Step 11. Enter your payment information. You can typically pay annually or set up monthly automatic payments. Step 12. Review your order summary, then click Complete Purchase or Join Now to finalize your membership. Step 13. You'll receive a confirmation email and your membership card will be mailed to you. You can also access a digital membership card immediately through the AAA app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.